microphone to make a podcast with my college roommate, and she thinks I should do an ASMR. I don't really have anything to do an ASMR about, so I guess I'm just gonna record things in my life. LaCroix doesn't have cockroach pesticides in it, but thank you for commenting below. I really hate the sounds of people eating food, so I'm sorry you have to listen to me. That's my dog's butt. I have a migraine today, so we're going to light a eucalyptus candle because I'm trying not to smoke so much weed. I'm also still probably going to smoke a ton of weed. I made plans with my coworkers, and then they texted me to confirm before I could bail. So now I have to get ready on a Saturday. I thought that maybe I could do an ASMR destroying my hair video, but I already bleached the shit out of it and dyed it purple a couple days ago. I'm also incredibly aware of my face at this moment, and I hate it. Can you? That's my impression of every beauty guru. Oh my god, my acrylic just went into my eyeball. I saw Nikki Tutorials do an ASMR. What the fuck is this? I don't fucking know if you can hear that. Oh my god, I slipped out of ASMR voice. God damn it, I fucked up the ASMR. That was the sound of me paying off my credit card. God damn it. You know that this is an adulting ASMR because I just fucked the shit out of this eyeliner. Alright, it's still kind of fucked up, but at least we got it a little bit more even. Okay, they're not that even. We'll just keep fucking adding on to them until they're just horribly messed up. The fuck is happening with this shirt? Okay, I'm gonna call that shit close enough. This fucking mascara is so goddamn good. I know this video is a joke, but this mascara is the only good thing that has happened to me in 2018. The last thing that I do is fucking slather this highlighter onto my face so that I look like a beautiful shimmering goddess. A key part of being an adult is knowing that you can eat whatever the fuck you want whenever the fuck you want to. Like this bag of Cheetos, God's gift to Earth. There's something like in this bra that always makes my tit itch, and I don't know what it is. But bras are like $70 now, so I'm not gonna fucking get a new one. My hands are dry as shit. God, I'm sorry, that was awful. We're gonna try out a new ASMR voice so that I sound less like fucking Darth Maul. And also because the first one kind of hurt my throat. It probably won't have the same effect because now I'm speaking a little bit louder. And also maybe this will be the lowest volume that you can hear, and the last 18 minutes were fucking for nothing. I have to leave my house in 15 minutes, but I haven't washed my hair in 3 days. Okay, I'm out of adulting things to ASMR. So fucking, I hope you're happy, Justine. Okay, thank you for watching this ASMR. I will never, ever, ever make another one. This is such a fucking stupid video. Billy. Oh, he's a good girl.